How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete duplicate photos in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to delete the duplicate photos on your Google Photos normally doesn't keep duplicate photos. It will automatically keep on filtering and deleting the duplicates as long as they reside in your Google Photos. But if it is not working for some reason, you can also just try to open up the Google Photos application here, and once you've done that, just come to the library tab, or maybe you can tap the profile icon from the top right, from where one of the option you'll find is called free up space. So tap on the free up space option, and if there is any sort of duplicate photos that Google Photos will find, it will automatically gather over here, and from there you'll be able to find the option to delete the duplicates. This way you can delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.